All right, guys. Anyone that has the W111 chassis E350, E320, you have that shifter problem where you get that fault code, and I believe it's like P240, I believe. Don't hold me to it. And you'll have this problem where you have to replace the shifter, and and it's anywhere between $500 and $800, and it has to be programmed to the car, so on and so forth. There is a fix inside this. I just put it together. I should have filmed it, but where you would resolder those little window contacts that are in here. I'll put a picture in the link of what you need to solder. I'm like a bobo when it comes to doing electronics and things like that. I did it and it worked. It worked. It's like maybe a percent glitchy, but it works. It's not stuck in just second gear anymore, and only reverse with a harsh bang shift, which some of you would know. So I hope that this helps some of you guys out there that are a little nervous and itchy and scratchy to do things like this. If you are good with that, you can do it. You can fix it. You don't have to program it to the car. It's fixed. You can save some money, and it's inside this little shifter piece here that goes on the in here, and then there's the cover that goes over it and stuff like that. So if you kind of got to break the glue to it so you can get inside this. So I'm doing this video because I'm sick and tired of these electronics failing on these wonderful cars. I love Mercedes, I love BMW, I love Audi, and we have to figure out these little gremlins, and this way we can save money and just pass on the knowledge and the technology here. And I'm just a vacuum technician for Miele vacuum cleaners, so Miele and Mercedes-Benz are quite the same in a lot of things. So a stupid circuit board is a stupid circuit board, but they're very smart at braking. So give it a shot, try it out. I'll leave a picture in the link here of what that is and what you'd have to solder in there, but it works. And there's a few guys on the Mercedes forums and stuff like that, and there's this Russian guy on YouTube that I couldn't understand one thing that he did, but he broke everything down and showed you how to do it, and he was right. He figured it out. So that's the God's honest truth on this. So thanks a lot, guys. John from Queen Vacuum.